Yay, more custard in the car. Today's special at Culver's, at least the one close to me, was the Candies Avalanche. I love Candies. I love mint chocolate chip stuff, as you would know from my Breyers Blasts comparison video. Anyway, so I'm excited to eat this. Amen. So, Culver's, I know, like, I reviewed Cops. Cops is, like, 100% definitely, like, better than Culver's. Like, Culver's just isn't as creamy, but alas, I don't live in Milwaukee, and Culver's is still quite delicious. Like mint chocolate, perfect combination. Nom nom nom. It's so minty and fresh and yummy. Speaking of fresh, I like washed my hair a few days ago. It's super clean. I just love running my fingers through it and touching it. Although I'm probably just adding more oil to it. But whatever. It's a free country. So like Culver's, I don't know. Okay, at first I was like, are these actually Candies bits? But then I looked closer, and it definitely is. Ah, whoops. Do you see? It's not really focusing. Let me see. Oh no, I ate it. I ate the bit that I was trying to show you. Sorry for being a bad food reviewer. You should blow the whistle on me. Ha ha ha. I just have a whistle in here from a birthday party that I went to for some kiddos. This is a great minty refreshing treat for the middle of the week. I haven't gotten any frozen treats at work this week, so this is worth it. I guess not to mention the 2 times custard I got over the weekend. Oh. You can observe more of the greatness here. Why does this just like drip all over my car? It's too close? I don't really know. Okay, I'm just gonna eat this before bad things happen. I'll like take my car and they're like, no, why is there ice cream in your vents? That would be quite the story. Nom nom nom. Well, I gotta get going because I need to. I'm on my way to go babysitting. Oh man, I just drool a little bit. So, there's a little bit of melty custard on the bottom. So yeah, Culver's. How does this compare to what other minty ate with chocolate chip ice cream though? It's definitely different. If I had to pick this versus like one of the Breyers ice creams, I'd definitely pick this. Because I don't know, Breyers is okay, but like Culver's it's got less air pockets, creamier, not quite dense, but also not fluffy. You know what I mean? Not dense in the way that super premium ice cream is, but I mean, that's why it's not ice cream, it's frozen custard. Okay. Go team, go. Mmm. Ah! Oh, why are you late? Eating custard. Yeah. Obviously, I'm a bad babysitter. Alright, just kidding. I'm okay, I think, maybe. Ah! Be stable. Alright, bye.